Hi friends, welcome to Tutors Funny channel. In our last class, we have completed up to the course view part. Okay, so how to view the course list of the courses. Let's continue the course update and deletion. So let's go to the course controller. So here we have a course update and delete. So here write update. Here write update course. It's coming from where? Which DTO? Course update DTO. You can see here. This is how the data will be coming. When you update the record, we need a ID because ID should be the unique key. So we have update and delete the record. We are using the particular ID. So this is the this all the things we need. This all the API. This is called as APIs. Okay, this is how the API is coming from the front end. Okay, all right. So it's a course update detail. You have just copied, paste it over here. Simple. Here we have a course. We have get the object course update video. You have to pass it over here. Right, so here this one course update. This one the same thing I'm going to copy it over, paste it over here. Course update method, which service? Course service. Right, so this one should be the course name. So we have to write course. Here's a course. Right. Now here course service, we don't have a method which is a course update. We have to click on this. So here when the data is coming from the front end via the DTO format, it passes into the controller passes into the service has a method which is a course update. Click on the bulb symbol and create the method over here. So the method has been created. Go to the IMPL. Here you have the implementation. You have to do the implementation part. Click on the bulb symbol and implementation the method. Now the method has been implemented successfully. Now what you're going to do is you have to go to the student IMPL, copy this, paste it over here. First you have to check whether the course IDs exist or not. Whether course IDs exist or not. When you update the record, first check whether the course IDs inside the database or not. First you have to we have checked via the repo, course repo, exists by ID, course update data. First you have to get the course ID. Get course ID. If the ID is exist, what you're going to do is it's coming here. You have to write a course object course. You have to write course. That course repo got get by ID. Course update DTO get course by ID. Get course ID. Right. So after that this course, we have to set the ID. We have to write course dot set course name course update DTO dot get course name. After that, copy this and paste it over here. This one should be the course syllabus. Get course syllabus. Get course, sorry, set course syllabus. Set course syllabus. After that, we have write another one is which is a course dot set duration update dot get duration. These all things we don't need it. We have to get rid of these lines. This one course report dot save this course. Right after that we have write the course get name. Sorry, course get name. Okay, right. So that we have a don't in our Spring Boot repo we know don't we have a update part. Again we have here, but once you if the IDs exist, you are checked by the repo. Repo means you have checked like this. Course repo, you have checked select all from course where ID coming this ID. It check. This unchecked. This is the part we checking the repo. Okay, if it's calling the file existing by ID, it will check this part. Get the course ID, check whether the course IDs exist or not. If it is exists, go here and you have to set what's the value you are getting. What's the value you are getting? It will be setting the relevant field. After that, you have to call the again repo dot save. It will be updating. Right? After updating record, your updated record will be showing to the front end. Okay, the course ID not found. That's it. That's how we have implemented the updation part of the course. Right? Now you have a clear understand how the flow works of Spring Boot application. This is very must when you go for the industrial. This is how the industrial works, right? So how to the DTO works, how to the controller works, everything works. We have done, right? Out of the delete part, so when the ID is coming here, when the IP is a delete ID, we set as a ID as a path variable. You have to go to here. Here also the course service delete course. Delete course. Get the ID. You have to write delete course. You write a delete it. Okay. So the delete course service also I'm going to create as a delete course. You have to go to my IMPL course IMPL. Here do the implementation part. Here. Now what I'm going to do is here I'm going to do the thing is here write is copied. Place it over here. What's ID is coming here? We have checked via the repo whether the IDs exist or not. Course repo exists by ID. The IDs exist. You have to call it course repo dot delete by ID. Delete the entire record. What's the ID is coming? The appropriate record has been deleted. If the ID is not found, you have to message will be showing as course ID not found. Okay, that's things we have to do. That's the thing you have to do. Perfect. This is how we have to do the programming. Okay. Now we have everything we have done it successfully. Now let's open up the Postman. We'll check it, but the work all things according to our expectation. This is very must. Right? Okay, now let's test it. Before test it, we have to run the application. Let's run it. Right? So first run it. So after done the code step, we have to run and check it. The problem is, what is the problem here is we haven't connect the SQL. So if you have a SQL, we have done connected SQL driver service. Here it's not connected. Just start. That's a problem. Okay, the SQL server is not connected. Now again you have to run it. Now the problem is solved. Once the error is coming, you have to read the error. Then only you will be able to get the solution. Otherwise, you can't get the solution. Right, here it's running properly. Now what you're going to do is, now let's open up the Postman and test the URL management. Right, first one you have to check it this one. So you have to write first implementation part. Okay, what the port it's running. You don't have to go to other. You have to go to here. There's a port. I forgot that the port is a port which is running. SpringBoot application is running. API version course save body row. You have to write it over here. Open and close bracket. We have to make it as a post request. For we are adding the records. So you have to write the what are things you have to write course API. You have to write the APIs. What are the APIs? You just copy this all the API, then it simply write down it. Post name Java syllabus You have to write something, some syllabus over here. Java introduction like this. After that, duration. Six months. Now let's check it. Click save. Java is working successfully. It's working here. It has been working. Now let me test that. The database, you have refreshed them. Now you can see here is the course. Here it's Java, duration, so all the things are there. Right. Now I want to view the records. So let's go to the view records. So the same thing, just copy it. Get all. Get all courses. Set it. Now here, what is the course you are discussed here? You will be successfully use the course. Now you are going to update the record. You have to write a put method, body, right? So here we have to write the row, the same thing. Just copy it, paste it over here. Okay, so here you can see the what's the method, put method, update. So request is update. We need ID. So as ID, if you are confused, go to the update. This is the ID API, right? So here the ID API, you write it ID API, you write it over here. There's a one course one. I'm going to update JSP. I'm going to change the JSP duration 3 months. Click send button. JSP updated. Now whether it's updated or not, you'll be able to check. Refresh it. It's updated 3 months duration. Perfect. It's working perfect. The final term we have to do the deletion part. Here also the delete. What's the API coming? Post controller delete ID. The delete ID is 1. Okay, now what you're going, this one we no need them, these all things. Delete API, click send button, deleted. Right, so deleted. Now let's go and refresh it. There is no record left. Right, so now it all the things are working what we expected way it's working. I hope you guys will understand things well. If you have any doubt, you can ask me anytime. I will continue my next video lecturing. Thank you.